Hello guys, today we're going to start our informational writing unit, and our standard for this unit is write informative, explanatory text to examine and convey complex ideas and information clearly and accurately through the effective selection, organization, and analysis of content. So the purpose of you writing an informational writing piece or crafting an informational writing piece is to be able to research effectively, to be able to cite your sources effectively, and to pretty much craft a skillfully written informational writing piece. So just like with the last unit, you will have a playlist for the informational writing as well. As you can see on the screen, it looks a little different from our narrative playlist that we did, but we still have our path, and that just tells you what the task is that you're doing. And then you have your directions. These are what you have to do for each thing. Make sure that you're reading each direction carefully. This is what is different. So this part of the playlist, it says CW or HW. That means classwork or homework, and then you'll have to put the completion date below it. So this is a drop-down box. So if you completed it for classwork, then you wouldn't have to change anything. But if you happen to complete it for homework, you would just change that box, and then just the same as it was for the last time, you will put your completion date, and you'll actually have to type in that date. And then there's a place for me to put notes to leave for you if I need to. You'll spend a lot of time on your topic selection because that's where you're going to get into your organizer. After you choose a topic selection, you will be allowed to use Discus, and I'll show you where that can be found in Launchpad. And you will also be allowed, you may be able to find some books in Epic on your topic, depending on what your topic is. As you can see, you'll have a graphic organizer, you'll have an introduction. Pay attention to a few things. One of the things I want you to pay attention to is Davis time. That's when you bring your edits to me. And then I want you to pay attention to the dark gray boxes, because those boxes indicate that you will have to submit something to me at that time. Everything else, you'll have some quizzes. You'll have to examine student essays. And just like the last time, you'll do your body paragraphs. And then I'll give you some reference sheets to use as you are crafting your essay. If you have any questions about the writing playlist, about your research, about this video, please come see me. All right, guys, happy writing. I'm very excited to see what you guys create.